Bijal Kansara, Assistant Professor from Electrical Engineering Department of Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. In this video, we will discuss our chapter number 1 and the topic is characteristics of copper, bronze, brass. Okay, now introduction. Copper, brass and bronze are a part of category of a metal known as a red metals, which are characterized by their reddish tint. While copper is a pure metal, brass and bronze are a copper alloys. Means brass is a combination of copper and zinc, bronze is a combination of copper and tin. All three of these metals demonstrate unique combination of the property that make them ideal for the use in a metal sheets. Although copper, brass and bronze belong to the same category of metals, each exhibits a distinct characteristics that make it ideal for a different circumstances. Across the industry, it is essential that designers, engineers and manufacturers understand these differences to select the best metal for their projects. What is a copper? Copper is a non-ferrous transient metal. Unlike brass and bronze, it is a pure, naturally occurring metal. Therefore, it is found on a periodic tables of the element. It is among the few metals found in a nature that is directly suitable for a processing. Although it is used on its own, it is also combined with the other pure metal and alloys to form its own subset of the alloys. Property of the copper. Copper has several properties that make it ideal for the construction and manufacturing, such as copper demonstrates excellent thermal and electrical conductivity, making it suitable for the use in an electronic and electrical system and a thermal equipment. It exhibits a resistance to many forms of damage, including impact, wear and corrosion. Additionally, it maintains its strength when fixed, form and drawn. Bacterial antimicrobial resistance. The material resists bacteria without degrading. It even kills bacteria that are exposed to its surface. This quality makes it ideal for the use in a food safe equipment. Now, available grades of coppers. Copper's availability in many different grades, and according to their grade, they use in a various application according to their facilities or properties. Means alloy 101, alloy 110, alloy 122 and alloy 145 available in rod and bar. And all these alloy have their different properties of the coppers, and they have different properties of the different coppers. Now, application of copper metal sheets and the shape. In general, copper offers excellent conductivity, formability and machinability. These qualities make copper metal sheets suitable for a wide range of industrial applications, including use as architectural construction, plumbing and heat exchanger materials and components. Additionally, its high ductility allows sheet to be drawn into wires for electrical system. The addition of zinc enhances the strength and ductility of the base copper material. The higher the concentration of zinc, the stronger and the more pliable the alloy. High strength brass contains greater or equal to 39% of the zinc. What is a brass? Like a copper, brass is a non-ferrous red metal. Unlike a pure metal, however, it is a metal alloy that primarily consists of the copper and zinc. Other metals such as lead, tin, iron, aluminium, silicon and manganese are also added to produce more unique combination of the characteristics of like a brass. Now, properties of the brass. As a copper alloy, brass demonstrates many of the properties characteristics of the copper. However, the alloy does exhibit a few distinct properties compared to pure copper and other copper alloys. For example, susceptibility to a stress cracking, malleability and formability, high melting point, and non-ferromagnetic. Susceptibility and stress cracking. As a brass is stronger and stiffer than a pure copper, it is a more susceptible to developing stress cracks. Malleability and formability means compared to bronze, brass is a more malleable. Additionally, it is easy to cast or work. High melting point. Brass has a melting point of approximately 900 degrees centigrade. The exact melting point differs based on a concentration of a different metals in the alloy. Non-ferromagnetic. As the brass is a non-ferromagnetic, it is a much easier to process for the recycling. Depending on the additional metals added to the alloy, it can demonstrate varying characteristics such as a variable melting point or a greater corrosion resistance due to the presence of the manganese. Available grades of the brass. Brass is available in a variety of grades, each of which is characteristic by exact materials makeup as a squeezia brass and copper. Now alloy 260, alloy 272 and alloy 330 is a available grade of the brass, and these are the different alloys of the brass. Application of the brass alloy is that brass metal has a several different application. As the metal has a similar appearance to the gold and is available in a variety of shades, it is often used for a decorative and architectural elements. Additionally, the workability and machinability of the material lend it to use in the manufacture of the plumbing, electronics and a musical instrument. Now, what is a bronze? Bronze is a copper-based alloy that typically consists of approximately 88% of copper and 12% of the tin. Trace amount of other metals such as aluminium, manganese, phosphorus and silicon may also be present in the alloy. Properties of the bronze. Many of the properties of the bronze overlap with those of copper and brass. For example, excellent thermal conductivity, resistance to salt water corrosion, high ductility. However, it also exhibits a few unique characteristics such as a brittleness and a slightly higher melting point than the brass, like a 950 degree for the brass. Now, these are the available grades of the bronze. Application of bronze alloy is that bronze metal and sheet and shapes are suitable for a wide range of industrial application including bushings, bearings, electrical connectors, springs, marine applications such as the propellers for the boat or ship fittings, petrochemical tools and all ring components that require non-sparking metals. Thank you.